What up, guys? It is compost season. I got that tree cut down a couple weeks ago and moved all the logs over here. So I'm gonna have my wood bin here and I'm gonna do a double compost bay here. I was kind of just throwing everything here behind this log, but the log is just completely rotted right out now. So it was kind of falling apart. So I thought, well, I got some extra skids. I'll make a nice 2-bay system so that I can keep using all the compost on my gardens. I dug out 2.5 wheelbarrows out of this of just compost, and then I top dressed all of the gardens. I'll show you that here in a sec. But anybody else doing any composting? Let me know in the comments what type of system you guys got. I thought just a 2-bay system for now should work. Got a ton of stuff here that I'll throw back in it, but hoping it all works. I'll show you guys where I put it all in the greenhouse here in a sec. Let's go over there now. Just had to pause at the apple trees. This is the multi-grafted one. You can see we've got buds on all of the branches, which is awesome to see. Sweet. There's the good old stump. Rest in peace, tree. Rest in peace. And then I just top dressed all of the veggie gardens, getting them all ready for planting here in the next couple weeks. Left side, right side. I moved the barrel over to the left, and I'm gonna put an east trough on, or a gutter on the side of the shed so that I can start collecting some water in the greenhouse as well. But yeah, composting season 2024, almost ready to start planting. Super excited, super excited. Almost ready. Peace, love, and cheers.